Okay, in this problem, we're looking at Roberto, who has 10 posters to hang on the wall inside of his new classroom. He only has room to hang 6 of them, however. How many different orderings are possible? So if we kind of just think about what's going on here, we have 10 posters, and you don't have to write all of this down, but just to kind of help you understand what's going on. And we want to know how many different ways can we hang 6 of these 10. So I could hang posters 1 through 6 in that order. Or I could still hang posters 1 through 6, but in a different order. This is a different ordering. Same numbers, different ordering. So in other words, order is important. Order matters in this scenario. So whenever you're doing these type of problems, you want to think about whether order matters or not. But it doesn't have to be the first 6. It could be 6, 7, 9, 8, 10, and 1. We have all these different possibilities. But the first thing you realize is that order matters. And when order matters, that is a permutation. If you are doing a problem where order does not matter, then that would be a combination. And we have permutation and combination buttons on our calculator. They're under Math, arrow over or scroll over to PRB, and then they are numbers 2 and numbers 3. Number 2 is for permutation, number 3 is for a combination. So you can see those on the screen right there. And so in this particular example, you have N and you have R. Those are what you need to type in your calculator. First thing you do is type N. N is how many items you have total. Then it's a permutation. And then R is how many are you selecting at a time. So we want 10, choose 6. So I'm going to hit 10, Math, arrow to PRB, number 2 for permutation, and then 6. And I get 151,200. You could also do this problem with the blanks. You can do that for permutations, where we have 6 blanks for the 6 posters, and we have 10 choices, 9 choices, 8, 7, 6, and 5. These are the choices for each position of the posters. And if you were to multiply that out, instead of doing the permutation, you get the same thing. That only works for permutations. You do need to know how to use those buttons for combinations.